Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, what we're going to talk about, I'm going to give you guys an update on my M1 Finance portfolio. And we're going to talk about the stocks I'm going to be heavily investing from here on out, and then the future of this channel. So today, as you can see, I'm drinking some wine because it's that time of the day where I'm excited to talk about investing in personal finance. Before I proceed, I just want to let you guys know that I'm not a CPA nor a CFA, so this is just for personal journal. I'm documenting it, and this is for educational purposes only. So let's begin, and I'll give you guys an update on my personal M1 finance. So this is it. And as of today, I have $21,176 dollars USD here. So, and that's my portfolio, and I haven't been adding funds into it for the last 2.5 months, actually a month and a half, because I have future projects, future plans, future strategies that I'm trying to implement in the next following years that will require some capital to be allocated from my investment portfolio into my new projects and future investments. So, as previously communicated, I have exactly $21,176.63 USD. And let's go here. That's the time range. That's the all. And I haven't added any stocks in this portfolio other than money. So time range, all, my gain. Let's see here. So my starting value as of March 3rd, 2020, that's when I started investing into M1 Finance. That's where I pull my savings out of my savings and dumped it into the stock market. As you all know, back in March, that's when the pandemic affected the stock market and brought down the stock market really good. So, and I took the time and I saw an opportunity, and I just went all in and with my savings. Of course, I had emergency funds. I had 3 to 6 months of emergency funds and about $2,000 in other funds for emergency expenses, such as car or any other expenses that require some quick liquidity. So, all right, so I started investing in M1 Finance back in March 3rd, 2020. Back when the pandemic started, my net cash flow is plus $14,354.75. As of now, back when I started, I have now a market gain of now plus $6,821.88. So according to M1 Finance here, I have a total gain of $6,942.60. That's including the earned dividends of $120.72. So, in summary, since I started investing in M1 Finance back in March 3rd, 2020, I have a total gain, a market gain of $6,821.88, earned dividends of $120.72. So my total return percentage is 68.74%. And that's just the overall summary of my portfolio. If we go to the holdings, and as you can see, I have 62. Come on. There you go. I have 62 stocks, cost basis of $14,354.78. A total value of $21,176.63, with an unrealized gain of $6,821.85. That's I'm up 47.52% since I started investing in M1 Finance. So that's just a quick summary of my M1 Finance. And the next topic that we're going to talk about are the stocks that I'm going to be buying from here on out. Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, ABBVI, Square, and STOR. So those are the stocks, six actually. Those are the stocks that I'm going to be buying and adding more money into in the next couple of years. I'm going to be focusing on those stocks because they're high growth and there's a lot of potential from those stocks that I've noticed from the past several years and months. I believe in this company. I have an intuition. I've looked at their financials, and my goal is to become financially independent using these stocks, and I'm probably going to cash out in the next 8 to 10, maybe 15 years, where I'll see my stock portfolio hopefully go up. And yeah, those are the stocks that I'm going to be completely investing in. I'll probably add maybe Pfizer, J&J, 3M here and there, but I'm not going to invest as much as money into them because I'm going to be focusing on my Metas portfolio, which is Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, ABBVI, Square, and STOR. So the next topic would be, now that we talked about my Metas portfolio, my next strategy down into the next several years. So I'm going to be investing in stocks. As you all know, I have different investments in different stocks. Recently reduced my contributions to my Roth 401k because I'm looking into investing in different investments. And I have different things in mind. First is real estate, and second, small business. I want more cash flow. So and in order for me, my goal is to be financially independent in the next 8 to 10 years. And the downside risk of putting my money into a government-sponsored retirement plan is that I can't cash out until I'm 59.5 without penalties. As you all know, with the CARES Act, you can withdraw your money from your Roth 401k if you're with certain reasons, but you're going to be penalized with the 10% fee and the tax. That's just how the game works, and I don't want to be subjected to that, and I don't want to be waiting until I'm 59 and a half to cash out my 401k because I want to be financially independent early. I'm refocusing and adjusting my investment strategy from my Roth 401k into different investments, such as mentioned, which is real estate and business. Anyway, so I talked about the wine, I talked about my M1 Finance, talked about my Metas portfolio. I talked about my investing strategy in the next 8 to 10 years. So that is just that. Like I said, I'm refocusing. Instead of contributing double-digit percentage into my Roth 401k, I'm reducing that to single-digit, enough to get the match, and reallocate those funds into different investments, such as building up my arsenal, my portfolio for my real estate investment and small business. If you guys have any questions, any input, advice on real estate investing and business, comment down below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and I appreciate it. And for the old subscribers, thank you for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and happy weekend. Bye.